Once upon a time, in a vibrant town, there was a magical school called Sunnyvale Elementary School. In Sunnyvale, there were two boys named Timmy and Tommy. They were the best of friends, but they often felt lonely at school. One sunny day, something incredible happened. A friendly lion named Leo appeared at the school gate. Leo had a special talent. He could draw anything and bring it to life with a wave of his paw. He made a rainbow appear in the sky. Timmy and Tommy watched in amazement. They couldn't believe their eyes. Leo was like a walking, talking rainbow generator. Leo noticed the boys and their loneliness. He decided to be their friend and teach them the magic of imagination. With Leo's help, Timmy, Tommy, and Leo went on incredible adventures. They sailed on rainbow ships, explored candy forests, and even danced with talking animals as they shared their imagination. Timmy and Tommy's loneliness faded away. They had found the best friend they could ever wish for in Leo the lion. From that day forward, every day at Sunnyvale Elementary School was a magical adventure filled with laughter and friendship. And so, the tale of two lonely boys and a lion's day at school came to an end. They proved that with friendship and a little bit of imagination, any day can be a magical day.